Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom. Hope you're having a great evening. A big shout out from Tennessee. Today we're going to do a candle. I've got one of these candles that I bought from the Dollar Tree Plus. It cost $1.25. We're going to pour it into one of these little bowls I got from the Dollar Tree Plus. It's called Fresh Picked Apples. Isn't that pretty? With the red truck. My niece loves the red truck, so I'm going to give this to her for Christmas. I've already done one here, as you can see. So this project is only going to cost me $2.50. That is not a bad price for a Christmas gift. Now, I do have some of this that I bought from there also. It's called, Harvest Berry. It smells really good as incense for the candle. Now, you can put it in while it's cooking. I just poured some after it was already done, melted, and I'd already placed my wick, and I stirred it in there really good, and it smells divine, really good. So, on this one, I think I'm going to pour a little bit in while it's melting, some more in after it's done. Okay, as you can see, it has fully melted. With some tongs, I'm going to reach in. After several tries, we have it. So, I'm just going to place it in the little container. Then I'm going to get this with some tongs and some pot holders, of course. We turn that stove off. And then we're going to pour it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we're going to pour it in there. Just going to kind of pour it slowly. That we're going to pour. I put some in while I was cooking, but I'm going to pour a generous amount now. And I'm going to lift the wick up just so I can stir it a little bit, and then I'm going to place it back down. There we go. And I'm going to let that sit. Once it gets done, it will harden like this one. And then I'll cut the wick. It will make for a great Christmas present. I'll be back once this is done, and I'll show you a picture of it. Okay, this is completely done now. It took about 30 minutes. I did cut the wick already, but have a blessed day. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please like the video. I would love to have you join my YouTube family if you haven't already. And have a blessed day.